Seedance 2.5 made $1 million game show. And if you still think this is a joke, check this out.
Welcome to Slop or Not, where the internet's biggest AI haters find out if they can actually tell. I told my mother her vacation photos were AI. She's 81. She's never used a computer. I stand by it.
Right now on YouTube, there's about 4,562 videos talking about how great Seedance 2.5 is. It's comparing it to the original version, the cling version, the benchmarks. Nobody gives a about any of that. In this video, I'm not going to show you any of what the other creators are showing you. I'm going to show you how to create these viral game show moments with Seedance 2.5 and also 3 powerful ideas to start profiting from it today. About a year ago, I sat here and told you that AI influencers would start going viral, and they did. I also predicted that AI music videos would start making people serious money, and they are. About a week ago, I predicted that AI sitcoms would start gaining steam, and there's already channels on YouTube copying everything about it. A script, the transcript, the thumbnails, almost word for word. And it's okay. I'm not mad at it, but that just goes to show you, if they didn't think this was going to work, there wouldn't be copycats. So here's what's next, and I want you to screenshot this. AI game shows. It's going to be way bigger than sitcoms.
Let's meet our contestants. First up, Sheila from Wisconsin. Sheila, introduce yourself.
Before I do that, I actually think the whole audience here is AI. I've been here 40 minutes. Not one of them has needed the bathroom. Do the math.
All right, guys, we're inside of Higgsfield. This is the same workflow from the sitcom video, and honestly, it works way better for game shows. Watch what I do here. First thing is the host. I made him as a still image before any video existed. I locked the face, I locked the suit, I locked the cheesy accessories that he wears. Do not skip this step. If you skip it, your host turns into a completely different guy halfway through the scene, and the whole thing looks like garbage. This is the host that Seedance generated before I had the character sheet, and this is the host after. I learned that the hard way. Then references. Seedance 2.5 takes up to 50 references at once. 50. The host, the contestants, the set, the fog on the floor, all of it stays locked across every shot. Let's go ahead and generate the rest of the character sheets in Nano Banana 2 for the rest of the contestants before we generate the video. We have the characters for our game show. Here's the woman, contestant number 1, 2, and 3, so on and so forth. And then we have the host. We're also keeping our game show set consistent with this picture right here. With all those pictures, we're hopping over to Seedance 2.5 with the video, and we're going to upload the character reference, all of them that we created inside of Nano Banana 2, including the background of our game show set. Remember, we're prompting in blocks. So Seedance 2.5 supports up to 30-second long clips. We're going to prompt it like this. 1 to 7 seconds, game show host announces the winners. 8 seconds to 16 seconds, he passes it over to Tom. 17 seconds to 25 seconds, Tom gives them the prize with the straight face, etc., etc. You can make these prompts a little bit more advanced if you want. I always recommend going to Claude or ChatGPT and asking them to help you with your prompting. But I think that's the secret to Seedance 2.5 is prompting in blocks like this. Here's the results from a few prompts.
Okay, time to play Slop or Not. You have 5 seconds. Is this slop or not?
Slop?
Slop?
Not. Slop. But I'd watch 9 hours of it and leave an angry comment underneath the video.
The winner of tonight's show is everyone. You all won. Here's what it got you. Tom, what did the contestants win?
Well, you won nothing. You won being right on the internet. Enjoy the drive home and your microwave burrito dinner.
So this is cool and all. It's cool to show your friends and impress friends with these game show clips and videos. But how exactly can we start making money? How exactly can we start creating a business around this? So way number one is with local businesses. Businesses pay 5 figures for 30-second commercials, and everybody skips them. Everybody. You know it, they know it. The ad agency knows it and cashes the check anyway. So instead, you make them a game show set inside their business. Pick one place that you already go to every week. Your gym, your salon, your barber, whatever business you frequent the most. That right there is a perfect customer. For example, the barbershop gets the game show Guess That Fade.
He hasn't seen the mirror yet, y'all. For the grand prize, Guess That Fade!
A restaurant gets a speed round on the secret ingredient.
"12 ingredients, 1 bite each. Miss one, and you go home hungry. Guess that ingredient."
Build it with the workflow that I just showed you. Put it on your phone, walk in, and say one sentence. Nobody watches ads. Everybody watches game shows. That man that you're walking into their business, that man has heard 100 marketing pitches in his life. I guarantee you, well, almost guarantee you, he's never heard the one about the game show. Way number two, and this is the one that nobody's doing. This is my absolute favorite. Birthdays, weddings, retirements. You make a custom 60-second episode where the birthday guy is the show. The questions are his inside jokes. The contents are AI versions of people who claim to know Dave the best. The family plays it on the projector at the party. Grandma cries, 40 people in the room, and every one of them asks the same question: who made this? Listen, people already pay $150 to $300 for personalized video gifts. Go look at Etsy. Go look at what Cameo built. And the customer rights have to show for you. You send them 10 questions. What's an inside joke? What does he always say? What's his most useless talent? Their answers are the script. One episode takes you a single evening. 3 orders a week at $200. Do the math. Listen, from your couch, nobody to pitch. These buyers are already searching for this stuff. And your first customer is probably free. Somebody in your family has a birthday in the next 60 days. Make it for them. Film the room when it plays. That phone recording of the room reacting, that's your Etsy listing done. Way number 3, and this is the one you own. The first 2 pay you. This one builds you something. Your own game show. 30 seconds a week. Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Same host every week. And here's what game shows do that sitcoms can't. Your viewers become the contestants. You post a clip, you cut before the verdict, and the comment section turns into the game floor. A reoccurring host, a contestant people request by name. That's an audience, and an audience is an asset. It takes sponsors, it sells things, and it grows while you're asleep. If you like the way I teach, if you like the money-making ideas that I give you, I break everything down on a weekly basis in my completely free newsletter. It's called AI Income Newsletter. Thousands of people are already reading it, staying ahead of 99% of the world when it comes to making money with AI. It also keeps you up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. And listen, if you want to try Higgsfield Seedance 2.5, it's the greatest video generation model in the world. Link is in the description. Go ahead and click that and like, subscribe, all that great stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.
I can't believe we didn't win anything. They could have at least given us a coupon to a restaurant.
I was promised a gift basket. There was a gift basket on the flyer. They built an entire game show with Seedance 2.5 in Higgsfield, and they couldn't even put one gift basket in it. Thanks for nothing, Johnny.
Whoops, my bad.
Yeah, I will enjoy my burrito, idiot. What the hell is this? A whole game show made with AI? This is slop. This is absolute garbage. I wonder how he made it.